Hey, my YouTubians, I'm back again with another one. Yeah, you see it, you know what it do. With the biscuits, of course, it's Popeyes. I got me a Popeyes mukbang today, y'all. Popeyes mukbang. And I was so tired. I was hungry and I was tired, but my body was saying, no, 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 you don't want to get up. But I'm like, dang, I'm so hungry. I want to get up. I just didn't want to go get my own food. But nevertheless, I got up and I was able to leave out the house because I was so busy, you know, dealing with what I deal with inside the home that I didn't want to step out and leave this to go do with that, but I did it anyway, and I'm back, and I made it back. I'm a little hot and sweaty because I've just been running. Any type of movement make me sweat, y'all, period. So, yeah, probably need to calm down a little bit. Well, I already got me sweat. Yeah, y'all, I got Sprite this time. But I got red beans and rice. I got coleslaw. The red beans, rice, coleslaw. And I got some fries over here, y'all. I didn't even pray yet. Let me start praying. I got the 5-piece tukadine with a hot pepper. And I was thinking about making it. I don't even feel like that. Then I got to get up and go get my 2-time spicy sauce. And I don't even feel like I do want to get it though, because they do be tasting good with it. Let me get it. Should I? You know what? I ain't gonna waste no time. I don't got time. I have to with the next video. I had it on my man, y'all. That would really make me get up to go get the chicken. I'm like, oh yeah, I could do some 2-time spicy. Because I thought about doing the hashtag cannons. What was it called? I forgot. But with 5 pieces of chicken, you know, it's called something. I have to look it up. But I had thought about doing that. And I'm really so hungry. I've been so busy. It was like, man, you could go about a good 5-piece right about now. That's how I was feeling. This is so good. Good. And that was fresh. I think I learned how to do my lighting, y'all. Y'all can see my chicken and everything, can't y'all? I figured it out. See, I'm coming along with it. It just take a little time. But eventually, I will catch on. I will figure it out and catch on. And it's been coming along slowly but for surely. I've been making progress. So I'm happy for that. So how did y'all like my first ice video? Y'all just gonna drop one on that ice for almost 2 weeks now. I just got it, and I'm so happy to have it. Because anybody know me know, I love ice. if people see me do an ice show, they be like, oh, well, that's more like that one. I gotta be like, ew, what smell? But honest, it will not be unwarm thing for me. Because everybody know that's what I do all day long. Ice. I have a thing where I carry around full of ice. Nothing but ice. And I be tearing it up to y'all. Yeah. No, this is good. I know I'm hungry too, but this is really good. Y'all know I really don't make the biscuits like that. I might bite one, but I doubt it. Yeah, I love coleslaw with fried chicken. Yeah, I'm old school. Oh, it was called Super Soaker. That's what it was called. I had that on my mind to do that today. The Super Soakum Challenge, where you soak your chicken in any type of hot sauce, as long as it's hot sauce. So that was my plan, but I sat down and got everything set up. I didn't want to turn. Y'all was too hungry to stop again. You know what I'm saying? I'm just ready to eat and get this mess over with. You know what I'm saying? Fill my belly up. Like, shoot, I wish I would have thought about it before I sat down and put it in my mind that I was that it was about to go down. Because now, I'm going to have to just wait till I do chicken again. I ain't getting up. Yeah, y'all. I'm not just greedy, but I'm lazy too, huh? In the sense of not wanting to add on. Because I got everything I really needed. I was just going to make it a challenge. Excuse me. But I really didn't have to. You know, and that's what I decided. Like, you know what, I'm gonna have to do it without. Because I'm ready to eat. Point blank period. Point blank period. Okay, y'all. I don't be liking that. You know, them veins and all that stuff. But it's good. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, I picks at my chicken. You know. Excuse me. But yeah, I picks at my chicken. Excuse me, y'all. Y'all look at that coleslaw. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mm, 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 mm. And that was all in it too. That's solid. That stuff is hot. Burn my throat. That pepper's hot, but it's good. This show just added all type of flavor to my mouth. Oh, it's really good. I enjoy that. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna eat this up real quick. Real quick. Gonna eat this up. Y'all, this chicken really is good. It's fresh. That mess keep getting in my throat, y'all. Every time I bite it. A whole lot of spice backfire in my throat. But that's crazy. Yep, I'm turning the chicken up. Okay, y'all, I'm feeling that heat. And that pepper. My mouth's starting to burn now. Mmm. Yep. My tongue. That pepper. My tongue on fire, y'all. I ain't gonna have pepper kick in like that so late. It kicked in super late, but it kicked in. My tongue. I just put that piece of meat on my tongue, and that's what I got. All them spices was like, whoa, whoa. So it could be the combination of the pepper and the chicken, because I did get spicy chicken, y'all. Yup. I got spicy chicken, y'all, so it could be both. My red beans and rice is okay. I'm getting full though. You know, I just want to come on here because I was so excited. I hit 50 subscribers, y'all. Even though it don't sound like much, but I'm thankful for you all. And I'm happy that y'all decided to come be a part of, the squad. You know? And eventually we get to real work. Yeah, that pop was good. You know what? Like I said before in my last video, I'm always working up a sweat, right? And after all that running around I be doing, when I sit down, I just be needing to take a bottle of water and just drink some water. Because initially, when I started drinking on this pop, I don't really be, I'm more thirsty than just some people just want to wet their whistle. No, I'll really be thirsty. Like, and when you thirsty like that, the only thing that could fulfill that thirst is water. So I could drink all this pop instead of drinking, looking for that thirst, looking for that satisfaction. But I never found it in pop. I have to get that in water. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, but I'm thinking about if I eat any more right now, I'm pretty much pushing it. Yeah, I'm pretty much pushing it if I eat any more right now. I do want some more of this. You know what? These red beans and rice didn't taste like nothing. I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't crazy about the red beans and rice. Nah. And I wasn't really too crazy about the coleslaw neither. But the chicken was fine. Yeah, the chicken was real fine. That hot pepper got my nose running, y'all. That hot pepper did the job. I ain't gonna lie. It really like put a whole big mix in my meal. You know what I'm saying? Like, it spiced it up so hard, y'all. It was so good. But once that spice kicked in on my tongue and then just in my mouth, it slowed me down real hard. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just about done. Now I'm just playing with it. I'm picking over it. I'm playing with it. Alright. Excuse me. I'm done with this, y'all. So I ate, out of 5 pieces, I got 1 piece left. So I ate what, 4.5 pieces? I mean, not 4.5. I ate 3.5 pieces. So that's not bad. You know, and it was satisfying. Yeah. So, I enjoyed it. It was, the chicken was fine. The sides didn't taste like nothing. The only thing that tasted fresh, really after sides, was the french fries. The french fries was fine. It was fresh. It was good. But these sides, nope. And I don't got no more fries. See, I ate the freshest food. But I got a little bit of that coleslaw left. And a little bit of that red beans left. And a piece of chicken. You know? So, I'm done here, YouTube fans. I just want to get on here and have a meal with y'all. Because I like eating with y'all, you know. And I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm still working on my ice. I gotta go pick up some more packages. But my ice coming along real good. I'm happy for that. I'm happy about that. I'm satisfied with that. And I'll be posting a video real soon, y'all. So y'all stay tuned and be looking out for your girl. Because I'm coming hard. I'm making sure I do it. So, deuces. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. And y'all come back for another one, y'all. Come on back. All is welcome. All is welcome. I love you all. Peace. Deuces. Holla.